Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to set up your Binance account from scratch, and this will form a part of a mini series of tutorial videos regarding Binance.com. So if today is your first time on my YouTube page, thank you for stopping by. On this page, what I do is talk about design, tech news and lifestyle. So if that's something that interests you, you know what to do, right? Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on all your notifications, comment, like and share. By doing this, you're helping YouTube to recommend my videos to more people. My goal for this month and next month is to reach 100 subscribers. So guys, please let's make that happen. Thank you so much. Also, there will be timestamp in this video for you guys to navigate to the relevant content you want to watch. If you want to watch from the start, that would be amazing. So if you're ready to start your cryptocurrency journey, let's go. Alright guys, so welcome back. So to get started, the first thing is you need to go to Binance.com, and when you land on the landing page, this is what it looks like. So here it's showing you like the most traded coins at the moment on the Binance exchange. Also further down, it shows you more popular coins, altcoins, Bitcoin that is trading at the moment, and this shows you like the chart, the trading volume in the last 24 hours. You can also click there to explore the market a little bit more. But this is what the landing page looks like. You can also download the app, on the App Store, the Google Store, and also you can download the desktop app. But basically, this is what the landing page looks like. So what you need to now do is go to register, click on the register button. And so for the purpose of this video, you can either register using your mobile number, or you can register using your email address. So for this purpose, I'll be using an email address. Then what I've done is, because if you guys remember, I talked about 5 best password managers for 2021. So I've installed LastPass here, and what it does is basically help me to form a very strong password that I can use, which is really difficult to crack. So once I've created the password, also if you don't have that facility, you can just create a password for yourself, but make sure the password is super strong and it's unbreakable. So just click on the create account, and it's because the system is trying to verify that you are actually human. You are not like a computer program that is trying to gimmick the system. If you drag that over it, then it shows that you've created an account. Again, going back to my LastPass, automatically it adds that to my LastPass account. So now you're sent is time bound, so you need to be able to put in the code that will send your email in the next 43 seconds. So let me quickly get that done. Alright, so I'm putting the code now, so automatically it logs me in. Now I've created my Binance account, but before I need to trade, I need to make sure I can confirm my identity. So obviously here you can start you can deposit to start trading. You can start buying crypto with your credit card or debit card, or you can also buy crypto from peer-to-peer marketplace. But for this purpose, let's quickly go to the dashboard. So now you're in the dashboard, and there's a pop-up that says you need to verify your identity either using your phone or you use a Google Authenticator to verify yourself. It's absolutely important for you guys to do this before you proceed. But for this purpose, I won't do this because I've done this before. Also, it's in the process of setting up your confirming your identity, you need to set up your 2-factor authentication. It is important. This is what you use if you're logging in. This is what you use if you're trying to withdraw money. This is what you use if you're trying to deposit money. So it's absolutely important you guys complete your security check first. Or if you go to the user icon section, if you click on that, it's showing I'm unverified at the moment, but I believe you guys should be verified already. So if you click on that, so that takes you to your dashboard, where you see everything happening. You're going to see the number of cryptocurrency you have, the balance, the estimated value. So here you're going to see something similar to this. You see something like that. So so that's what this could be your Bitcoin. So yeah, and so on and so forth. So that's what that is going to look like. And here, this is where you see all your notifications, how many times you've logged in, what you've done. So that's where you get all the notifications. And by default, Binance do set this up as US dollars, but I've changed it to our British pound sterling. So that's that. If you go over to your wallet and wallet overview, so the overview will basically tell you, what your estimated balance is, how much you have in your fiat account and your spot account as well. In subsequent videos as well, I will be explaining what all these menus are. But just for a quick tutorial for a beginner, I think we'll probably just focus on, how do you deposit money into your Binance account. So for you to do that, you can click on deposit. If you click on the deposit button, it's going to ask you, do you want to deposit cash? Do you want to deposit crypto? Or do you simply want to just buy with your credit card? Which I think is pretty straightforward. And that's one thing I was saying about the ease of use of Binance. They've done an amazing job on the user experience. So that is pretty much simple. So if you click on the deposit cash, so that brings you down here, which is the deposit page. So if it's asked, what you see now is, do you want to deposit using crypto or do you want to deposit using fiat? Fiat meaning your local currency. So because I'm based in England, it does automatically set me to pound sterling, but obviously you can change to euro or your local currency. So if you're based in Nigeria, for instance, if you click on N, if you type N, it takes you to Nigerian Naira. You can select that. Again, let me just go back to British pounds because I'm based in UK. So the next thing is going to ask you, how much do you want to deposit? Please also remember, as I said earlier, you must have completed your identity checks and all that before you can get to this point. So it's going to ask you, how much do you want to deposit? So if you say, £10, it's not going to allow you, because the minimum deposit you can do is between £15. And for me, because I've gone through a series of checks already, I can deposit up to £4,300. So if I click on next, so what it's going to do now is just going to tell you how much the fee you're going to pay for and how much you get. So if I'm ready to go, I just I just click the button to go. So that's me if I want to deposit using a debit or a credit card. But if I want to deposit using my bank transfer, you just click on faster payment. So if you say you're transferring £15, it's going to tell you the fee, and you actually pay zero fee for that. So you click on the button, you go to the next page. And this pops up because obviously they want to make sure the owner of the account is the one that wants to transfer the money. So you now get this note says only payments can be allowed from the bank account in my name, which is fine. So if you just confirm, then what now happens is you get a sort code and account number you need to pay it into, and once you do that, it's going to take between 1 and 2 days for your account for your transfer to show up in your Binance account. But if you pay using credit card or debit card, your payment will show almost immediately. So yeah, so that's how to deposit. So if you want to buy your first crypto, so after you've confirm your account, the first way to buy is easy one is to just go to the buy crypto, then go to your debit credit card payment option. So if you know the crypto you want to buy, you can now click on the drop down menu and you can find it. You can use that selection to find what you want to buy. Then you can select how much you want to spend. If you want to spend £2,000, or if you want to spend £4,000. If you want to spend 4,000, so you can get up to 3.3 to Ethereum. Then the next thing to do is just click on the buy, and that's it. That's the first quick way. The second way to buy is to go to the exchange. And what you must have done before going here is to have lodged, to have transferred money into your Binance account, and that is going to show up here. It's going to show how much you have. Then if you know the short code of what you want to buy, you can find out the different code for different coin. If you go to you can find different short name for the coin you want to buy. If you go to coinmarket.com, so once you know the short code for the coin you want to buy, you just come down here and do a search. And remember, guys, you need to buy against the currency of the country you live. So if you live in the Eurozone, you buy against the euros. If you live in UK, you buy against British pounds. So once you've selected that, you now come to this section, and it's going to show up how much you have in your the balance in your Binance wallet. Then you can now say you're buying 20 ADA. Then it's going to tell you how much it's going to cost you, and if you're happy with that, you just click buy. And if it comes further down, you're going to see that transaction pending, and once someone fulfills that, it's going to go straight into your wallet. So if you come back into your overview, you will be able to see that 20 Cardano you've purchased sitting nicely in your spot wallet. And that's the second way to buy. So if you're ready to sell, what you need to do is come to the exchange. It looks scary, but it's not scary, don't worry, guys. So here, if you have if you know what you're selling, if you know the altcoin you're selling, if you're selling Cardano, for instance, the Cardano is ADA, right? ADA or ADA, whichever way you call it. So if you click on that, so you want to sell against the euros, right, or British pound sterling, or you want to sell against any other currency. So I'm selling against euros, for instance. So if I now come down here, it's going to tell me how much Cardano is selling for currently. So if I say I want to sell 0.1, if I want to sell 1 Cardano, right, it's going to tell me I'm going to get 1 euros, blah blah blah. Then once you click on that sell, it's going to go over straight to the market trade. It's going to go there, and you can almost immediately see your open order. So what you've actually sold there will be here pending the time someone is going to buy it in the market. So once someone buys it in the market, you will now go, if you now go back to your wallet, if you go back to your overview, so you'll now see you've sold that in your fiat. So once you've done that, the next thing now, you now go to your withdrawal, click on the withdrawal. Then you can enter, if it's euros, then it's euros. Then you can't say, oh, I want to withdraw £100 or 100 euros. And the next thing, you click the continue button. All my fiat or all my crypto is actually stored away, so there's nothing in this account at the moment. but it's very straightforward from here. So click on the continue button. It's going to show you how much you're going to get, how much Binance is going to charge, and that's it. So you just give it a day max or 2 days, the money is going to land in your account, and that's it. Okay guys, yeah, I hope this tutorial was really helpful to you guys. If you have any comments, please make sure you drop it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to reply you. And hopefully if that is not clear, we can have further conversation around it. But I hope this tutorial was really easy. If you have any ideas, please make sure you drop it in the comment section, and make sure to like this video and share with your friends and loved ones. Again, the goal is to get to 100 subscribers between now and next month. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all the time.